Are you ready to unlock your creative potential? Introducing the ultimate tool for crafters and DIY enthusiasts, the hot glue gun. This isn't just any glue gun. Our hot glue gun is designed for precision, ease of use, and versatility. Let's take a closer look at its amazing features. With a fast heating time of just 5 minutes, you can start your projects in no time. Simply insert a glue stick, plug it in, and pull the trigger for a smooth flow of glue. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during long crafting sessions. Safety is our priority. With a non-drip nozzle and a temperature control mechanism, you can craft with confidence. The possibilities are endless. Use our glue gun for various projects, including crafting, create stunning decorations, gifts, and more. Home repairs, fix broken items around the house quickly. School projects, help your kids with their creative assignments. DIY projects, from furniture to accessories, make it uniquely yours.
I've used many glue guns before, but this one is by far the best. It heats up quickly and makes my crafting so much easier.
I love how versatile it is. I used it for my daughter's school project and some home decor. Highly recommend.
Let's quickly go over how to use your hot glue gun. Insert a glue stick into the back and pull the trigger until it clicks. Plug it into an electrical outlet and allow it to heat up for 5 minutes. Pull the trigger gently to apply glue. Release to stop the flow. Apply pressure for about 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. When finished, simply unplug. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your crafting game. Click the link below to order your hot glue gun today. Grab yours now, and let your creativity shine.